All right, I'm back at Harbor Freight, and in this video, I want to go over the new Dollar Days coupons they just released. It's going to be good from today, May 21st, all the way until June 3rd. So you do have a couple weeks to get them, and I'm going to show you the deals they have. All right, first up is going to be the hose mender by the Greenwood brand. It's a 5/8 to 3/4 inch male, and you do have an option of also the female version, which is this one right here. So it would have a female end to it and then the male end. So your options there. They each retail for $1.99, and you'll be able to pick them up for $1 each. It's saving 49%. And most of these coupons will be a limit of 4, just like they always do. Next up is a deal on the Pittsburgh brand of the 6 spring clamp set, 7/8 inch spring clamps, and they're made of a plastic. And these Pittsburgh clamps are also covered under the lifetime warranty. These would make great chip clips. So if anything goes wrong with them, you can go to a store, have them replaced for the lifetime warranty. The retail price is $1.99 on those, and you'll be able to pick them up for $1, which is saving 49% on those. It's an awesome deal, especially for 6 clamps, and they have great versatility to them, being nice and small and different uses. Again, limit of 4. And next up is a deal on the Jumbo Bike utility hook. It is a nice size hook, so you would be able to hang bikes from it, as they show on the label. It is rated to hold up to 100 pounds. This would be great for hanging right onto the joists, floor joists, or other studs, and hold 100 pounds per hook. There's the back of the label here. And so this retails, based on the coupon, it says $1.99, but my store has them currently priced at $1.79. But regardless of what the price is, you'll be able to pick them up for $1, which is saving 49% based on the $1.99 price. That's a pretty good deal on the hooks. And they have another hook deal. It's the 2-pack of the Hang All L-shaped hooks. This would be great for hanging either hose or ladders, other large items like that. It's nice and wide, and it has 2 mounting holes on the brackets, so you can mount it right to wood studs. I've seen landscapers even use this to hang a ladder from the outside of a cargo trailer, so it has great uses for it. This does retail at $4.99, and you'll be able to pick them up for $3, which is saving 39%. That is a decent deal for those. Okay, the next deal is going to be on the Chicago Electric 14-inch cowhide welding gloves. These would be the cheapest gloves you can go with as far as what they offer here at Harbor Freight. The retail price is $7.29, and you'll be able to save 17% on those, making it $6, which obviously, if you're in the market for those, you could wait for a 30% off deal to have better savings, but it's decent enough if you have a need for them right now to save the 17%. And the next deal is going to be on the Meguiar's Deep Crystal Car Wash. It's a 64-ounce bottle of it, and it retails at $8.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $7, which is saving 22% on that. So it might be a good pickup to go ahead and get some now, and that way, if you're planning on picking up some stuff during the parking lot sale on the different Grants products for car washing and detailing, it would go well with the products that Grants offers, especially when we don't see many deals on the other consumable items like this. And the next deal is going to be on a Grants product, and it's on the microfiber towels, the 16 by 16. It's a 12-pack of them. They have the purple and the neon green. The retail price is $10.99, and you'll be able to pick them up for $7, which is saving 36% on that. It is pretty close of a deal versus the 40% you'll be saving during the parking lot sale. So if you don't have immediate need, then maybe wait for the parking lot sale. That way you can get additional 4% off. If you're enjoying this video so far and getting any value from it, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. And let's go to the next deal. All right, the next deal is going to be on some 6-inch PSA sanding discs, which is going to be this one right here. At my store, they don't have the full stock of the different grits, so just so you're aware, but it does cover 600 and 800 grit of the aluminum oxide grain, and then the zirconia alumina grain is from 80 grit all the way up to 400 grit. So they have many different options available as long as your store has them in stock, and the retail price is $6.99 on them, and you'll be able to pick them up for $4, which is saving 38% on it. Just make sure when you're picking them up not to confuse them with the hook and loop sanding pads or sanding discs. They are the PSA stick-on sanding disc. And next up is pretty good savings on the Warrior brand of the rotary tool diamond point bits. And it has quite a good variety of different bits there with the diamond tips to them. So 20-piece set that's good for wood, glass, plastic, metal, marble, masonry, stone, concrete, and fiberglass. It has an 1/8 inch shank to them, so it would be able to go in most rotary tools. And here is the back of the package, and you can see the different ones that it comes with. So the retail price on these is $7.99, and you'll be able to pick them up for $5, which is saving 37% on those. And that, again, is a limit of 4. Okay, the next deal is going to be on this Hardy nitrile dipped water resistant gloves. So it has like a water resistant coating on the top part of the glove, and then the nitrile dipped for the fingers and palm area. It is available in 2 different sizes of the large and extra large, and they retail at $3.99, in which you would be able to save 24% on that, making it $3. It's not the best deal we've seen on Hardy gloves, but if you have immediate need for them, then it's good to save 24% on them now. Next up is a deal on the 10-pack of the Ranger nuisance dust masks. So 10-pack of them has an elastic head strap, adjustable nose bridge. So it has like a little metal strip. You can adjust it around your nose, and it filters out dust, particles, and pollen. So a 10-pack of those normally retail at $4.99, and you'll be able to save 39% on those, making it $3. So it might be a decent pickup on those. And the next deal is going to be on the solid brass hose nozzle. So it's an adjustable spray pattern by turning the adjustment valve, and it fits a regular size 3/4 inch hose to it. This retails for $4.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $3, which is saving 39% on that. Pretty decent savings for just a basic hose nozzle. Next up is a deal on a 100-foot string trimmer line. So if you have string trimmer you need to replace the line to, this particular string trimmer line is a little bit thinner than the other options that they have, and it's going to be the cheapest version that they have, normally priced at $5.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $4, which is saving 33% on that. So it's a decent deal. The next deal is going to be on this Pittsburgh brand of the nylon pry bar installer kit. It's a 4-piece set, so it has like different spreaders and then prying options, so you do different removal of trim panels in the vehicle. The retail price is $7.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $5, which is saving 41% on that. And the next item we've seen many deals on in the past on previous Dollar Days deals, and it's going to be on the 3/8 10-foot long of the protective wire wrap, normally priced at $3.99, except this time you'll only be able to save 24% on that, making it $3. But it's a decent deal there, $3 for some protective wire wrap. They say it's good for wrapping HDMI, USB, and AV cables, and I've used this wire wrap myself for different projects on my golf cart, and it works pretty good. It's a decent quality for the money. Can't really beat it. And the next deal is going to be on the Chicago Electric brand of the heat shrink tubing, designed to insulate and protect electrical wiring. It has 3 of each of the sizes of 3.5 by 12 inch long, 5mm, and 7mm. So it has a good little variety there, 3 of each, priced at $2.99 normally. And this is an excellent deal for only $1, which is saving 66% off of that. And next up is a deal on the Hallmaster rubber tool clamps. It's rated at a 25-pound capacity. So you're able to mount tools and gear on trucks, UTVs, trailers, boats, and garages. So it has a mounting hole there on the inside there, and it basically has a rubber strap that you open it up to be able to put a tool in. So this would come nice and handy, especially for landscapers, to hold like shovels and other yard care items, and it helps secure the items as well. And here is the back of the package. So these Hallmaster clamps retail for $2.99, and how about saving 33% on that, making it only $2. So it's a good deal on this. All right, the next deal is going to be on the 1/4 inch male or female of the industrial steel couplers for your air compressor. So you got 2 options there. They retail at $3.99, and you'll be able to pick them up for $3 each, saving 24%. All right, next up is a deal on the Pittsburgh brand of the 3/8 drive 6-piece hex bit socket set in the SAE or metric. So 2 options there. They do come on a rail, in which you could cut off the ends to help make it more compact and use that for storing them. They retail at $8.99, and you'll be able to save 44% on that, making it only $5. So it's a good deal on these. And don't forget that you have the lifetime warranty on them as well. And the next deal is going to be on the Pittsburgh Pro 3/8 drive 17-inch breaker bar, and it obviously comes with the lifetime warranty, and the retail price is $12.99, and you'll be able to save 30% on that, making it only $9. So it is a decent deal on it. And this next item I cannot find here on the store shelves, and it's going to be the Spectrum brand of the Universal Paint System. It's going to be a 10-pack of the 20-ounce Universal Paint System refill kit, and that's going to be priced at $8, which is normal price at $11.99, which is saving 33% on that. So if you're in the market for something like this, hopefully your store has them in stock. And the next deal is going to be on the 6/12 volt circuit tester with a 5-foot lead to it. So you do different circuit tests with that. It lights up. The normal retail price is $4.99 on that. And you'll be able to pick it up for $3, which is saving 39% on it. So a decent deal on the circuit tester. And the last deal on the Dollar Days coupons is going to be on a 10-piece of rare earth magnets. Now the package is actually going to be different than what I'm holding here, because in the store I cannot find the actual item, but it's going to be very similar to this, and I don't see even a spot for it. So hopefully your store has them in stock. I think these are a little bit bigger diameter around, so the other ones might be smaller, because this pack right here retails for $4.99, whereas the one on the Dollar Days coupons retails at $2.99, and you'll be able to pick them up for $2, which is saving 33% on them. So good luck finding them if you're after these magnets. All right, that's going to be it for the Dollar Days coupons. I'm going to go over, that was all the coupons, and I will put a link down in the description below for these coupons so you can pull them up and download them to your phone, so you can scan your phone right at the store. So if you gained value from this video, I appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I appreciate that support. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.